So for the first exercise, we see a promotion that says 9 months without interest or a 10% discount paying in cash. So the question is it truly without interest, or is there any kind of interest rate implied in the promotion? So in this case, we're going to have an example for something that costs 1,000 pesos. And now, if we pay in month without interest, we'd pay exactly 1,000 pesos, right? But if we pay in cash, we take a 10% off, which would mean that we would end up paying only 900 pesos. But I have a question. I mean, isn't 900 less than 1,000 pesos? Of course, the answer is yes. So if we pay a different amount depending on the paying method, then there must be some kind of an interest rate implied. In this case, we know that we are going to pay 100 pesos extra for something that could be worth 900 pesos. So in order for us to do this calculation, we simply divide the amount that we're going to be paying extra over the minimum amount that we can pay for the item, having a result of 11.11%, which is equal to 0.1111 in decimal points. To make this even worse, this is only for 9 months of payments, but the year has 12 months. So this is equal to 3/4 of the year. And since we know that all of the rates should be expressed in percentage and in annual rates, so therefore we need to convert this 11.11 into the annual equivalent. And that would be as simple as making the rule of 3, which would be this 11.11 is equal to 3. I want to know how much is the fourth, right? So if we do that, as usual, we cross multiply and then we divide over the other element, and that would give us a 14.81%. We can get exactly the same result if we do it directly with the number of months, which would be 11.11 is equal to 9. How much is the 12? Right. So if we do this, since it's a proportionality problem, we should be getting exactly the same result. So multiplying 12 times 11.11 and then dividing it over 9. Every single time that you have two options of payment and that they give you a different amount, you can always calculate a implicit rate that is being charged to you.